Good morning, everybody. All right, today we will begin our spreadsheet projects. The first project is song/music collection prices. So, what you are going to end up doing is you're going to buy 10 new subscriptions. I put iTunes Library, but you can purchase any music, video games, or whatever else you guys buy these days. I'm not sure, but you can be creative with it. The object of this lesson is to get a list of 10 songs, games, whatever it is you're going to buy, and list them in a spreadsheet. And you are going to practice and demonstrate calculating formulas. So you are going to multiply the cost of the song times the tax rate, which is 8.25%. It says using absolute cell reference. So I'm going to demonstrate. You're going to calculate the most expensive song and the least expensive song. So let's take a look at the document. All right, so here we go again. So this is how you are going to set up your sheet. It's like the directions in the middle. So I'm going to open a blank workbook, and I'm going to set my workbook up. So let's take a, you insist. Oh, I don't want that. I said a new one. I said blank, create. There we go. All right. So we're going to set it up just like the picture. So I'm going to start in 1, and we're going to put item, cost, tax, and total cost. So you're going to, I have CD1, but this is where you're going to put whatever you purchase. I don't know what you guys purchase. So I'm going to go to CDs. So I don't know. Or even movies. So let's say if I want to purchase Holly Dolly Christmas. So okay, here we go. At Target, it's $10.99. So you're gonna do some research. You want to get fancy and copy and paste the cover art, you can. So it says $10.99. Holly Dolly Christmas. So that's gonna be my first one. All right, and it costs, I think it was $10.99. So there's several things you're gonna do here. The tax is 8.25%. Now, after you get everything done, you can actually format your cells. Now, I know this is money, so I am going to format my cell. So everything in here is going to be money, and then this is my tax rate. So if you don't remember how to do formulas, remember every formula begins with an equal sign, and I am multiplying. And so if I'm going to use absolute cell reference, I am going to, let's see, B2 times, which is Shift 8, and I'm going to press the Shift key and click C2. So, oh, that's my tax. And then total. I just had to add an extra column. So now I want to take Shift this one plus this one, and that should give me my answer. So the original cost is $10.99. Tax is 8.25%. When I multiply that, the tax on $10.99 is 91 cents. So then all I have to do now is add 91